All right. So, out in a very, very special place today, and got a lot of big jets behind me, and a lot of Gulfstreams, and a lot of beautiful, beautiful planes, but right now waiting on one in particular to come on in, and it is going to be a 737-800. It's the bigger model of the 737. So, going to be doing the inside, going to be doing a sanitization, and because it's flown internationally, and excuse me, and also going to be cleaning it up on the inside and doing a full detail on the interior. That means galleys, bathrooms, tray tables, baggage compartments, walls, visors, you name it. Everything is about to get a deep clean and a detail. So it's going to be pretty interesting, so be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell, new notification videos just like this, and we're gonna have some fun. You're gonna see some cool stuff. So here we go. So I'm about to show you the results of the detail job and also COVID-19 sanitization of this 737-800. Also, the other thing that we're sanitizing for is pretty much any kind of viruses, any kind of flu virus, any kind of MRSA, strep, anything and everything. Cold viruses, you name it. It's not just COVID-19. And also a full detail and beautification of the inside of this aircraft to make it presentable for our clients' So to show you the after here, I think it turned out absolutely amazing. So that wraps up for today. And if you're interested in having anything of yours detailed, any kind of fleet, or individual aircraft, please contact us at 1-800-292-2341. That's 800-292-2341. If you are interested in having anything that you have detailed, whether you're a corporate client or individual client, solo, please give us a call, 800-292-2341.